In this video, I want to show you a cool trick in issue templates that I think could help your open source project do better and be more efficient in Hacktoberfest, because in Hacktoberfest, a lot of issues get created. So let's make it easier for people to say they want to work on it, because they often forget. So we can actually add a drop-down. Let me show you. When you go to create an issue on your project, you can actually use forms. I don't know if you're using it yet, but you should. They're really awesome. So here's a form. And here you've got this feature, do you want to work on this issue? And they can choose yes or no. That has helped us really reduce all that noisy conversation from people saying, oh, but I wanted to work on this. Well, you didn't write it and they didn't think about it when they created the issue. They think just by creating the issue that they automatically are going to get assigned it after it's been triaged. So this has really helped reduce that noise, reduce confusion, and stop people getting upset, be it the maintainers or the contributors. So I want to show you how you can do that with a few lines of YAML config. So I'm going to go to our GitHub folder, .github. It's a folder in the root of the project, and we have our GitHub actions and all that sorts of stuff. We have our issue templates in here as well. And here we're going to go to feature request. And you can see the form already, but let's just jump straight into the code. Here you see the name, the description, the title, labels, those sorts of things that you've probably seen in other templates and other videos that I've posted. And here's the body. So you've got the text area, you've got the ID, attributes, validation, is it required, and so on. But I want to come down to the drop down. So we've got a type drop down, and then we're going to say the ID is going to be assignee, and the attributes, we've got a label, multiple choice, a multiple, false, no, they can't select, they don't want to work on it, and they do want to work on it. That wouldn't make any sense. And then we've done options, no and yes. And if you just stop there and you don't put the default 0, so if you don't have that default 0 and you just have the no and the yes, a third option will be presented, which is called none. So when you see it in the actual template in the form, when it's kind of rendered into the form, in the drop down you'll have none, no, yes, and that's not very good. It's a bit confusing. So by putting default 0, it will default to the first option. We're in tech, we start everything from 0, not from 1. So the no would be the 0 and the yes would be 1. So if you wanted yes to be the default, you could either swap them around or put default 1. And this has really, really helped. And you saw how it's rendered. And you can have extra information as well that we include in our template. So go have a look at other people's templates. And then when you find something you like, you can go and see how they've set it up, because it's completely public in their repo in some YAML file. But this has definitely, this part here, let me highlight it all for you. This part here has really, really helped us. And I think it could help your project too. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and come geek out with us. I'm in the EddieHub community working on the BIODROP project every day. So I look forward to seeing you there.